Hey everybody, welcome to Keto-alicious, and today I'm in my kitchen and it is just going to be a short and sweet video, but I just wanted to say congratulations to me. I've been working really hard, but I wanted to say thank you to each and every one of my subscribers out there. I finally, and it's taken me a while, but I hit 900 subscribers. And maybe to some of you guys it's not a lot, but oh my gosh, it's a lot to me and I'm so thankful. So I wanted to give a big shout out. I hope each and every one of you guys are enjoying my recipes and hopefully some comedy in there. I know this is a tough time for everybody, but I just wanted to come on real quick and say thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you subscribing to me and hitting the 900 subscriber mark. Oh gosh, that's so exciting to say that. It's been a long journey for me and I've had some huge learning curves and I'm still learning along the way, but that doesn't matter. All I know is that I love to come on here and cook and to eat with you guys, and I hope you're enjoying this, especially through this, you know, this time can be very trying with kids, but I hope you're using these recipes to help your families, teach your kids how to cook, and enjoy more meals at home. These meals are easy, and again, this is short and sweet, but I just wanted to give a huge thank you to each and every one of my subscribers for allowing me to reach 900 subscribers. Hope you're all having a good day, you guys. And if you're not a subscriber, please do. Don't miss any of my recipes. Click the bell above and you will be notified when I do more recipes, more eats, more mukbangs. Okay, bye guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.